Hey guys, welcome back to Backyard Sliders. Today is race day again. We're going to do some track work. We're going to go out there and just track today. Look, the weather's cooperating with us today. It ain't near as rainy and humid. We're going to disc the track. We got to put some air in this tire first. We'll go out there and disc it for us, and then we'll pack it down and make sure it's going to be good and smooth tonight. That's a good sign right there. How low was it? 8 pounds. That's not good. While he's finishing up with the disc and the track, I'm gonna go ahead and get these carts unloaded. He mentioned something about the front end, something happened to the front end, about the steering or the toe maybe. We have to check it and get that looked at. So. Alright, got them unloaded. They don't look too rough. They look like mine can be wiped down and be clean for the night. Heath mentioned something about washing his. I'm not sure what he's going to do. He acted like he had some work to do. I'll probably find something to mess around with too, try to find some speed, because last time we raced I was absolutely terrible. So we'll see what happens today. He also had one of his right rear tires flat. I had to check into that and see what's up with that. Looks like it's spending a lot of time right here off the turn 2. Taking some dirt and dumping it here. Hey Heath, what you doing on the spot right here?
Got the track leads this way. There's a little low spot right here, and it gets winter from the rest of it. So I'm digging some of the wetter mud out and trying to bring some dry dirt in. Maybe get it winter drained a little better.
You think that's gonna be rough if you don't do that? Right there?
It'll just be a little more moist than the rest of the track.
So you're trying to make for better racing, huh?
Yes, sir.
Got them wiped down. It ain't 100% wash approved, but it's close enough to race tonight. They look a whole lot better. That Lucas Oil Equipment sure does do a good job. Loading Heath's cart up in the trailer the other night, we realized he couldn't counter steer back to the right, and we figured out the problem here. Somehow he got his tie rod bent, and then it'll bottom out right there. So that's how far we can turn it to the right. We won't have to take that off and bend it back and fix it. Then we got some toe plates in there that we're gonna come back out and recheck the toe once we get it all set. But you can see the difference from there to there, and it's hitting right there and right there. So we're gonna fix that real fast. As you can see, it didn't take us long to get it out. He's gonna try to bend it back with some some force there. You think that'll be good enough? A little more? A lot more? Is that the magic touch?
I don't know, we'll find out here in a minute.
You get it? We'll see here how it lines up. Look like the toe is out a long way. Once we got it all back together, we're going to get that fixed and go ahead and tighten them bolts down. Recap of the night, had 5 carts. I think I finished last. Oh well, we'll try again next week. And he's here, he finished second. He finished second in every race he ran tonight, I think, so. And somebody had a good wipeout, so we'll be fixing this thing pretty good tonight. Been in the halo bar right here, ripped the front door hatch off, and been in this to the air breather. So y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll be working on that probably in the next video or so.